y'all know I'm gonna complain while I'm doing it, but I'm gonna still do it, okay? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Megalook Hair. They sent me a unit to review for you guys. Now this is my first time working with this brand. A lot of you guys have been commenting about them, wanting me to try them out. They finally reached out and here we are. Now before I jump into this video, just know we got some things to talk about, okay? About this unit and about this hair, okay? So if you want to see and hear what I'm talking about before you spend your coin, definitely stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay y'all, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Megalook Hair. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to take a little bit of work, but we're going to get it together, hopefully. I do need to tint this lace, and I do need to pluck this hairline, or more so pull the hairline, because I don't feel like plucking nothing with a whole bunch of mess. This lace is thick. Initially I thought it was like 2 pieces in one based on how it's feeling. It's not giving HD, it's not giving Swiss, it's just giving regular old lace. Really don't want to glue this down, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen once I put her on. We'll see. The color looks really pretty. It has these gorgeous highlights in it. They did really good with the color job. Now I normally don't go for heavy blonde highlights, so we'll see how this looks on me. It does come with the elastic band already attached, and I mean attached, like it's sewed into the unit, but it does fit over my big old dome just nice and comfortable. The wig cap, I would definitely say, is more big head associated than big head friendly. It's not going to come all the way down to my sides or my back, so if you have a small head, this one's for you. But anyway, let's go ahead and just get this wig together. I'm going to tint the inside of my lace first with my Maybelline Fit Me press powder, just so I can see what the hairline is looking like once it's all tinted. So we're going to put that around the hairline. If you have lace tint spray, you can definitely use that, but y'all know I don't like to use that just because it's messy for me. I took the adjustable straps off and I already cut the lace off the back. I'm also going to use my dry shampoo and spray this unit down. I am getting a little bit of snags in this hair. Let me spray her down with some water too to get rid of these frizzies. This is looking really, whew. We gotta do some work, y'all. We gotta do some work. First things first, let me just get this hairline together. So I'm gonna go in and pull some hair out the hairline. It's gonna take some time, so if you get this wig, just make sure you're being patient. Pulling is a lot faster if you understand how to do it. If you're better at tweezing, then go ahead and tweeze it. But I don't feel like tweezing and having hair everywhere, so I'm just gonna pull the hair a little bit around the hairline to break it up some. Ooh, she's still a little tight in here. All right, hold up. Let me get a little bit more out of here. All right, so let's cut these ear tabs off. Cut it in 3. The lace is basically white. I have not had lace like this in a long time. What's Megalook? We are past these times, okay? Yeah. That's 2018 behavior. We not there no more. This is gonna be a little challenging, but I'm not afraid of a challenge. My scissors. Get my lace together. I may glue the front part down. I don't think I'm gonna do the sides just yet, because yeah, I don't know y'all. Okay, so before I spray anything down, I'm gonna use my mousse. Even though I put the powder under here, y'all know I ain't supposed to do that, but I'm gonna see how this looks with the mousse, just to see how the lace takes to any type of product. So let's do this first. Okay, this is a trial and error wig install for sure. They did send me a little band here. I think my wig is kind of crooked. Okay, let's style her up. Okay, let me just comb the hair out like this. Parting space on here looks, you know, it looks workable. So I'm not mad at the parting space. It's just, I need to figure out how I want to style this hair. Now this is 24 inches, but I'm just gonna cut the ends off my wig. I'm just cutting the ends off my wig. They're a little ratty. I'm gonna put some curls in this wig. Now I am using my new curler that I told you guys about a couple weeks ago, and it is a learning curve with that joint. So if you have any of the T3 whatever, if you have any of those curling irons, let me know, you know, how they working for you, because I'm still learning how to use it. So we'll see how these curls come out. I am going to use my light silk spray, okay, on this wig, kind of get this hair together, because she feel a little coarse. I'm using my T3 iron. I think that's what it's called. Let's see how she works out. It'll be in my Amazon store, because that's where I bought it from when it was on sale. Okay, I ain't pay regular price, because I wasn't gonna do that. But I still paid a pretty penny for a curling iron, so you know, we're gonna see how she works out. Better not be a waste of money, I know that. All right, so far so good. I don't know why I'm trying to do this with my glasses off. Like, who am I? Who am I trying to fool? I mean, she working so far, I just can't, the ends are good, but the beginning of the hair is not really curling. What am I doing wrong? I guess I gotta start up here and then work my way down. Is that the learning curve? Is that what I'm missing? Gotta start it curling at the root, like that? Maybe? Maybe. Okay, so we are back. Let's get this unit styled up. Take this off, see how our lace is sitting. Doesn't look too bad with my glasses off. Let's put the glasses on. Let me get some contour. Get my contour. You're gonna put it around the lace, like this. Try to blend this in as best I can. Definitely a lot darker than I want it to be. Use a little bit of my foundation on top. Okay, so I am gonna spray it under the top part here. Just right here in the front. I'm gonna use my even spray to spray around the front. Fold it back down like this. Pat her in like that. I'm just gonna brush the hairs over like this. Okay, it's coming together. We trying. I'm gonna use a little bit of wax stick here in the front. Make sure this hair is where I need it to be. Comb this hair out using my wide tooth comb. Bring this forward like this. Cut some layers right here. There we go. We're gonna get it together, y'all. We getting it together. Cut this one. Let's get the rest of this curled up. The layers are definitely helping, you know, shape the hair and get it to where I need her to be. Almost there, y'all, almost there. Let me get my part together. Pop this over like this. And I got a little bit of ashiness right here. Let's fix that. Put the wax up here like this. Smooth that all down. Ooh, this is a labor of love. Y'all understand, I'm sweating. I'm just... Hold up, this one is just, it doesn't want to curl how I need her to curl. And put on my lip gloss while I'm waiting. Okay, am I done? Am I done? Okay, y'all, so this is a finished product. For me, it looks good, but just understand it took work to get here, okay? It's not gonna be ready out the pack. Y'all saw the lace, y'all saw the hairline. The hair texture it's a silky texture, but because of the color treatment on this unit, you will have some snags and tangling to work through. But y'all saw I did not wash my unit, I did not condition it, so I would definitely suggest you give this unit a good condition, maybe even a protein treatment just to make sure it is ready to go, to hold your curls, to style really well, and I think you'll be happy with it once you do all those steps, okay? If you plan on just wearing this unit out the pack, think again, okay? Think again. At least for the unit that I received. I would definitely say the lace surprised me the most. Y'all saw that it was a white lace, okay? It was palm colored and it wasn't gonna work on my scalp. However, it did take my products really well. So, you know, I'm not mad at that no more. However, I do feel like for the price point, the lace can be better. When it comes to wigs like this, we want the whole package, okay? Now with my glasses off, I didn't glue nothing down on the sides, so she kind of just pressed against my side here, and you know, these are my edges right here. And I will not be gluing her down because I don't feel like she's necessary, but I'm glad that I sprayed her down around the front to give me a more seamless look. Outside of all that though, the color is gorgeous. The hairline looks great now that I put my little razzle dazzle on it. The way I styled it, I feel like looks really good. I was initially going to do a half up, half down, but now that I have it styled like this, I'm cool with that. But Megalook, come, sit. Go ahead and do some updates, okay? Thank you. I want to know about the end result for this wig. Did I get her together? Okay, let me know. I'm pretty happy with how this is looking on me. I know I'm gonna complain while I'm doing it, but I'm gonna still do it, okay? I will tell you though, this little joint right here, I'm not mad at her. I'm not mad at her, but I do feel like you can get the same look that I did with the other joints that I have, okay? So if you haven't bought this already, don't worry about it, okay? You don't need that. You don't need that, all right? I bought it so you don't have to. There you go. You're welcome. And that's pretty much all I gotta say about that. Shout out one more time to Megalook Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.